Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Sheets tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert a dropdown in Google Sheets. This is actually quite simple and we have two options. First I open Google Sheets and select the area where I want to insert a dropdown. Now I click on Data and Data Validation. Here I select Add Rule and the criteria dropdown, which was already pre-selected in this case. I can now define my options and add a color if necessary. Down here I can also add another item. Once I have finished, I click on Done and my dropdown has been created. In the second way, I don't have to enter the data manually, but can also use items from a pre-formatted list. For this, we will again select the appropriate range, go to Data and Data Validation to get this menu. Now we add a new rule and change the criteria from dropdown to dropdown from a range. If I click here, I can now select the data range from my worksheet. But this does not only work here, I can also use another worksheet. Once I have selected my data, I click on OK and Done. And as we can see, the selected list is now here in my dropdown. This second option has the advantage that I can edit the data sets more easily and quickly. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.